New York City, often referred to as NYC, is the largest city in the United States and one of the most famous cities in the world. Its history can be traced back to the early 17th century when it was first inhabited by the Lenape Native Americans. In 1626, the Dutch West India Company established a trading post on the southern tip of Manhattan Island, which they named New Amsterdam. The settlement grew rapidly, and by the 1660s, it had become the largest city in the new Netherland colony, with a population of around 2,000 people. In 1664, the English seized control of the colony and renamed it New York in honor of the Duke of York. The city continued to grow and prosper during the 18th and 19th centuries, becoming a major center for trade, finance, and immigration. During the American Revolution, New York City was occupied by the British for most of the war. After the war, the city became the capital of the newly formed United States and played an important role in the country's early political history. In the 19th century, New York City experienced a massive influx of immigrants from Europe, Asia, and other parts of the world. This led to the development of distinct ethnic neighborhoods, such as Chinatown, Little Italy, and Harlem. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, New York City continued to grow and evolve, becoming a center for culture, entertainment, and innovation. The construction of landmarks such as the Brooklyn Bridge, the Empire State Building, and the Statue of Liberty further enhanced the city's iconic status. Today, New York City is a global hub for finance, commerce, culture, and tourism. It remains a melting pot of cultures and a symbol of American diversity and opportunity. New York City, also known as the Big Apple, is one of the most vibrant and diverse cities in the world. It is the largest city in the United States and is located in the state of New York. Some of the popular attractions in the city include Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy, which is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. Times Square, a commercial and entertainment hub with bright lights, billboards, and Broadway shows. Central Park, a vast urban park in the heart of Manhattan, with beautiful gardens, lakes, and walking trails. Empire State Building, an iconic skyscraper that offers panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the largest art museums in the world, with a vast collection of art and artifacts from different cultures and time periods. One World Trade Center, the tallest building in the United States, which stands on the site of the former World Trade Center. Brooklyn Bridge, a suspension bridge that connects Manhattan to Brooklyn, with beautiful views of the city skyline. The High Line, a unique public park built on a former elevated railway, which offers stunning views of the city and the Hudson River. Greenwich Village, a historic neighborhood known for its bohemian vibe, artistic community, and charming brownstone buildings. Rockefeller Center, a commercial complex that features a famous ice skating rink, shops, restaurants, and the top of the Rock observation deck. New York City is a popular destination year-round, but the best time to visit depends on your preferences and interests. Here's a breakdown of the seasons. Spring, March to May, the weather is mild and pleasant, and the city is in full bloom with cherry blossoms and tulips. This is a great time for outdoor activities and cultural events such as the Tribeca Film Festival and the Cherry Blossom Festival. Summer, June to August, the weather is warm and sunny, and there are many outdoor festivals, concerts, and events. However, the city can be crowded and humid, so be prepared for long lines and high temperatures. Fall, September to November, the weather is crisp and cool, and the city is filled with fall foliage. This is a great time for sightseeing, outdoor activities, and cultural events such as the New York Film Festival and the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Winter, December to February, the weather is cold and snowy, but the city is magical with holiday decorations, ice skating rinks, and indoor cultural events such as Broadway shows and museums. However, be prepared for crowds and higher prices during the holiday season.